So now we're going to show you how to do a simulated real ear measure. This is for patients that you just can't get to sit in the chair and face the speaker and be quiet, which might be a lot of your patients if you're a pediatric audiologist. So I've pushed tests just like I have before, and then instead of going to on-ear measures, I've gone to test box, which you can see we're measuring in the test box right here. So everything should look the same that it did for your on-ear live real ear, except this. So I have put the hearing aid into the test box, and it's in like that, and then you want the microphones of the hearing aid to be right next to that reference mic, just like you did when you calibrated. And you want it sort of pointed towards that speaker because that's where the sound comes out. So now I'm going to close it so it's nice and tight and quiet in there. I'm going to come over here and we're going to just do the same thing. So I'm going to turn the hearing aid up just for an example. So as you can see, it's being amplified way too much. And this is again that sound recover that I was talking about in the last video. Sound recover is pushing all of these frequencies down into here, so that's why it's not showing that it's amplifying here. This is actually a really good way to verify sound recover. But as you can see, it's all amplifying way too much. The center green line is much too high for these green targets. So I'm going to come in and I'm going to turn it down again about that much. And I'm going to rerun it. And that's looking better. I would probably turn it down a little bit more if this were my patient. And then you're going to run average speech here. So you can see your average is your level of input. And then I'd also run loud. So loud is your level of input. You can switch this at any time. And then you're also going to run your maximum power output. So once you have all of that, and you have all of your targets and all of your measurements, you can be sure, and all of your measurements are running through your targets. This green line matches the green targets, and the purple line matches the purple targets, etc. You can be sure that your hearing aid is amplified correctly for your patient, for their thresholds, and for their real ear to coupler difference measurement. And that is all.